Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a CAD/CO website directly from your phone. First, open your preferred mobile browser and navigate to CAD/CO. You'll find the interface is surprisingly intuitive for mobile use. From there, you can either select one of the many pre-designed templates or begin with a completely blank canvas to unleash your creativity. It's a straightforward process, allowing you to start building your site in just a few taps. Now, let's dive into designing your site. CAD offers a wide array of elements you can add, such as text boxes, images, and even videos, all optimized for mobile display. You have full control over customization, allowing you to change colors, select from hundreds of fonts, and adjust background styles to match your brand. The drag-and-drop feature makes arranging these elements incredibly simple, even on a smaller screen, ensuring your vision comes to life effortlessly. To make your CAD even more powerful, consider adding advanced features. You can easily integrate contact forms or sign-up forms to capture visitor information directly. Linking your social media profiles and other external websites is also a breeze, connecting your entire online presence. While the free version offers plenty, exploring the premium options can unlock even more functionalities, like custom domains and advanced analytics, giving you greater control and insights into your site's performance. Finally, it's time to publish and share your creation. Before going live, always preview your site on your phone to confirm it looks perfect and is fully responsive across different devices. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button, and CAD will provide you with a unique URL for your new website. You can then effortlessly share this link across all your social media platforms, in emails, or anywhere else you want to showcase your professional and polished online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.